I keep hearing something back there. Every time I stop, I hear something else like another step. I'm on a kill box of sorts. I'm just gonna be checking it out a little bit. See if I get checked out while I'm checking it out. But you got these trees and stuff down right here. There's no root. I mean, that's not a limb. That's a sapling like this one standing up. It's been broke off. And they're trying to get it down there to the blind. This ain't the best kill box I've ever seen. It's still under construction or something. There's 2 more out that way. That's a lot better. There's some kind of booger puzzle. Put it together like this, see what happens. Oh. The dog. Whoa, check out the moon. I forgot about the moon. I might be having to go out and cool. Here's the moon rising. And the sun setting. That's awesome. Oh, let me ask you this. By the way, you can see the sun's down. It's down below the horizon. Excuse me. So, the moon supposedly reflects the sun's light, right? In other words, the moon's just a big reflector, and it gets its light source from the sun. So how comes, if the sun's down below the earth, right? I mean, you've got the earth between the sun and the moon. How come it's full? How's that work? You know, I'm not a NASA scientist or anything, but you would think if you had a light held on something and you put something between them, it would cause a shadow. So how is it like, you know, the earth between the sun and the moon's fully lit? You would think it'd be waxing off, wane or one or the other. Oh, man. Not for sure how that works. I think what I'll do is try a locator call. If I get any response, I'll know better which way to go. if I do decide to go out tonight. Wish I could go out at like now and go live. That'd be cool. Watch your ears. Hmm. Stuck in the ground. But what I would think is that was part of that, which would give her enough weight to stick in the ground that deep, I guess, falling out of the tree. I want to stop here and listen for a minute, because this whole holler down here, and this is my property I'm on now, all the way over to that other mountainside, nobody's in this holler. Now this up here is not my property. My property. What was that? Start doing.